Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Pinterest lag. To know how to fix or how to solve Pinterest lag, you should just go to settings, then in this page you'll enter to apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you will search about this window of Roblox. Fix your problems on Roblox as you see here. Then we click first stop, OK. We click OK, then here we'll enter to storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end of all these steps then you can turn off your phone, but don't forget, don't click here clear data because that give you a lot of problems. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.